Discover EcoEat, the revolutionary app that uses AI to help you manage your pantry and refrigerator. Take a photo of your fruits, vegetables, and packaged foods, and EcoEat will tell you how much time you have before they spoil. Receive personalized alerts, storage suggestions, and recipes to make the most of your food. Did you know that 1/3 of the food produced worldwide is wasted each year? It's time to change that. We present EcoEat, your intelligent assistant to reduce food waste and make the most of every ingredient. Don't know what that food item is? Just take a photo, and EcoEat will tell you what it is, how it's grown, and how you can cook it. EcoEat helps you manage your pantry and refrigerator. Scan your foods, and the app will remind you when they are about to expire. Do you have ingredients about to go bad? EcoEat generates delicious recipes so you don't waste anything. EcoEat also offers storage tips to keep your food fresh for longer. With EcoEat, you'll not only save money and time but also contribute to a more sustainable planet. Download EcoEat today and join the revolution to reduce food waste. Your kitchen, your savings, and the planet will thank you. Download now and start saving money while taking care of the planet.